Oh. Alright, so here we have the battery on our car, and it's on the driver's side here, and this is for a 2018 Toyota Corolla. Man, the birds are really chirping today. But here we have our battery, and so we want to go ahead and take it out so that we can go get a new one, because this one is completely dead, and it's probably the original with the car. I'm looking for any date markings on this. Sometimes you'll have a manufacturer's date on the battery. It might be buried here under the bar, but you can certainly see it's an older looking battery. It's kind of dirty, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this out and put in a fresh new one. To get this one out, we're gonna have to take off. There's always some either support across the top, or sometimes there's a little clamp on the side that's holding the battery in place. You can see here we have a top supporting bar, so we're just gonna go ahead, probably pull this nut off, probably just pull this bolt out, take this off, pull out the terminals, and then this thing should just slide right out of place. Battery out. Got our old battery out here. We're going to take this one to the local auto parts store and just get a new one. You want to make sure you take the old battery with you, just because it's easier to match it up. Make sure the terminals are on the right side of the new battery you get, and that it's the same size so that it fits into the battery well here. And we'll probably clean that out a little bit too when we get back. Alright, so here we have our new battery, a Duralast Gold. 3-year warranty. Let's go ahead and slide it right into place. And so there we have it. That's how you can replace your dead car battery. It's a pretty simple process. You only really needed one tool, which is a 10mm wrench. I was able to pull the battery out, put a new one in, and get it started, and we can get on our way. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Hope this helps you. Remember to go out and enkindle and enlighten.